mi gente, welcome back to my channel. It's Shay. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my mini twist. So I'm just going to go ahead and explain to you guys what I do, and you're going to see in certain angles on exactly what I'm doing, and the products that I use will all be in the description box down below. So getting started, I have my hair in 3 sections. I have 2 in the front and then a big one in the back. And then in those sections I just go ahead and moisturize it with some water. In my spray bottle I have water and a little bit of conditioner. And yeah, just going ahead and wetting it just a little bit. I don't want it super soaking wet, because I still want it to have that fluffiness of my dry hair. So yeah, just wetting it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part the section. Let's talk about my parting. Because I can't see the back of my head, and yeah, I don't have a mini mirror. I used to have one, but it actually broke, which is beautiful. Love that for me. Yeah, so it broke, so I didn't know what the back of my head looks like. So my parting does look a little bit crazy, but honestly I really don't care. I don't really I'm not really anal about like the parting in the back of my head. I only really focus on the front because no one's really paying attention to the back. So anywho, as I'm going in the section, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Eden Body Works curl cream, put that in every individual parting that I have, and then for the back of my head I'm using gel instead of edge control. But in the front I do go ahead and use edge control, but I didn't have enough, so yeah, using the gel in the back in every single section. And then just going ahead and twisting it down. So I show you guys how I do that a little bit in the back, and then I'll come right back and go ahead and tell you guys what I'm doing with a closer look in the front. All right, so now that we're in the front, um, so I went ahead and did the same thing that I did in the back. Just sprayed that section a little bit with that water and conditioner, and then throughout the whole section, I put a little bit of the Eden Body Works, which as you're gonna see more. Ooh, can I talk today? As I go through the sections, you're gonna see that I go ahead and put a little bit more in every little section if needed, if I feel like it's a little too dry. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and massage that through, and then when I part my hair, I put my edge control in each section, and I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit which edge control I use. It's from Cream of Nature, so if you want to just pause it, screenshot it. I really like that edge control. I feel like it holds down my edges really nicely. And yeah, so just again going ahead, sectioning that part, going in with more curl cream if I need it, and then putting the edge control right at the parting and right at my roots, just to make sure and ensure that all my sections are laid down and there's no flyaways or anything like that, and all my parting is sharp. So yeah, just going ahead and doing that. And for the front, I do not use any gel. I just use that edge control. So if I had enough edge control, I wouldn't be using it. I wouldn't have used gel in the back of my hair. But again, I was running low, and I couldn't go to the store and get more edge control before I did this style. So yeah, just going ahead again, parting the section, putting in my curl cream when needed, and then going ahead and putting that edge control right in the parting to make sure that it's sharp, and twisting my hair down.
Hey guys, so I just woke up and brushed my teeth. That's why I sound a little raspy. And I'm about to take off my bonnet so you guys can see what my hair looks like as soon as I take it off, as soon as I wake up, and all that good stuff. So let's see. Yep, this is my hair all dried. It shrunk up a lot. As y'all can see, my hair, let me do like a little like check. My hair is on here and it shrinks up to like up here. So that doesn't really matter to me because usually I wear my my mini twist like in a bun or whatever. Today I'm gonna do like a half up, half down type situation or whatever. So yeah, let me just see if I can do a close up to my hair so you guys can see how moisturized it is. But yeah, that's my hair, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready, do what I have to do, go about my day. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.